Hi guys, today I have reached the BMW Motorrad showroom to review the new two launches F900R and the F900XR. So I'll review these bikes and ride them as well. So let's see how they perform on the road. So first of all, I'll review the 900XR. The F900R will be reviewed in another video, so you can check it out there. So let's start the review with F900XR, which is an adventure sport. Let's start it.
So this is the another new launch from BMW called as F900XR. It's more of an adventurous bike, and in the front look you can see these are two LED headlamps. Then you have this adjustable visor. I'll show you later on how you can adjust this visor. It helps you to cut the wind blast. Then you have these Michelin tires, which is R17. The profile is 120/70, and disc brake by Brembo. It's a double disc brake. Such an amazing fit finish to this bike, and this is a very price very aggressively, 10,50,000 for the standard model, and Pro will cost you 11,50,000. So it's a good adventurous bike from BMW, the entry level adventurous bike you can say. However, it has a smaller sibling 310, but this is way advanced. It has a twin cylinder motor, so it's parallel twin engine. It's 900cc. It churns out 105 bhp somewhere, and torque is quite good, 92 Nm of torque. Then we are looking at, when we look here, you can find here this is ZF suspension. It's all electric adjustable suspension. It's been sourced by ZF. Quite an advanced thing, which you can see on this size of bike. Then after you can see there are Brembo brakes at the rear as well, and same Michelin tires with profile of 180/50 R17. Now talking about the rear part of the bike, so it has full LED tail lamp as well as the indicators. So if even the rear part of the bike looks as impressive as the front, that's the full look of the rear. Very nicely designed, and the quality of the seat, you can see it's quite good. Amazing. The fit finish is so good, and it's not that hard or not that soft. Very ergonomic. So this bike is equipped with the quick shifter, both up and down, and then you have this cylinder. This is for the suspension part, because it has, as I told you, like this bike has an electronic adjustable suspension here. Now look at the TFT. It's the same display. It's the same display you will find in the F900R. So it's the 6.5 TFT display. So I'll show you the TFT display. That's how it starts. It's a colored 6.5 TFT display, and that's how it starts. And there is a toggle here, so you can make the adjustments. The bike. This is the menu. Setting options, music and navigation will only work once you attach it with the Garmin retrofit equipment. And this is for the electric suspension, so you can lower the height or increase the height just by the switch. And yeah, so this is hazard, and it comes up with different kind of modes, rain, road. So even this bike is equipped with the same two kind of riding modes. Then you'll find a steering damper here. You can see the steering damper. So steering damper is there. And finally, this is the last thing which left over. So that's how you can adjust the windshield. It has become up. lesser wind blast once you pull it up. So guys, we'll take this machine on a spin. So the rumbling sound of the engine, the parallel twin, I hope you can hear it. The fast machine. Hello guys, please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment box if you like the video, and wait for further reviews on bikes and cars. Take care, bye bye, ciao.